In today's video, we got a lot to unpack, so sit back, relax, and let's get into it. Since it's Black Friday, we're building a budget-friendly Black Friday gaming computer. First, we're gonna be heading to Best Buy to grab the parts, and I'll walk you guys through everything step by step. There's not a lot of people, so the store should be quiet.
Yeah, this entire place is like basically empty.
Actually, I have no idea. But before that, let me address some of the comments from the last video, bruh. Y'all been really roasting me about the last PC, but I'm gonna let it slide. But today's PC, I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna prove y'all wrong, all right? And if I do, you guys subscribe. Deal?
Yes.
All right. So everybody at Best Buy was pretty chill, and thankfully finding the parts wasn't too much of a hassle. And they didn't have any white PC cases in stock, but I found the Corsair 3500X and the Corsair iQ H100i Elite on Amazon and on sale. This is, how big is this? Bro, look at this screen. Should I buy this, chat? Let's put YouTube on here. Look up the YouTube channel. Hey, wait, what? Oh, there it is. Let's leave that. So here's what we're working with. We're working with the Ryzen 5 7600X. Packs a good punch. We got the Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite AX. The GeForce RTX 4060 Ti. For our RAM, we have the 32 GB DDR5 Corsair Vengeance RGB white kit. And for our power supply, we have the Corsair CX 750 watt semi-modular, and the case and cooler is the Corsair 3500X and Corsair iQ H100i Elite. So we have the case. I actually have the case right now, but the cooler doesn't come until Sunday. So I'm recording this on Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, by the way, to all my viewers out there. Make sure you guys are, eating good. Eat some turkey, not butterball, hopefully. So we're just waiting on that, and the total cost came to about $1,331.40. But thanks to Black Friday deals, I saved about $253.99. Now that's what I call a money move.
Tell them to bring me my money.
What you need to grab?
CPUs, motherboards, RAM, everything. I might build an RTX
How you gonna
build.
ask them to unlock it before I got the price?
Well, I already have a feeling what I'm gonna get, and I already see stuff. 300. God, I'm gonna go broke.
This tablet?
Oh, that's cool.
Dang it, this is cute though.
It's $1,500.
Where do you see that? Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'll just buy that then now here,
Okay.
cause I'll probably get a case off Amazon.
So you gotta tell me what pieces you want.
Okay, yeah. And a 1 terabyte hard drive.
What kind of RAM do you want? What's the?
It's DDR5. And then
You said 4060 Ti?
yeah. And then a motherboard. I don't know which one. No, I'm getting the Ryzen.
Oh, that's right. You're getting the right one. You
Yeah,
want
the
the 5? You
5.
said?
Yeah.
Give me 2 seconds.
Oh, I can get a power supply here. I don't think I need a 750 watt. I'm gonna get this one. This one's only $74. Bro, the CPU coolers are pricey, bro. They're doing $219. God damn.
Well, liquid cool your PC.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. What else? You wanted the RAM. Which RAM sticks did you want?
The
DDR5. So which one?
white one.
Okay.
That one. The Vengeance.
Great
Yeah.
choice.
And then a 1 terabyte hard drive.
The
piece.
better looking one. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to pay. So I'm gonna go pay.
Don't
You
move
can
that,
record.
Thomas.
All right, got the parts. I'm gonna go home and build it when the extra stuff comes in. I hate spending money. Bruh, I just woke up and the last part is here. God damn. Alright, chat. I'm all situated. Now, we got the PC and everything. Yeah, so I'm gonna box everything. And, rip it out the plaza. They've been acting brand new. I got to ship our PC. Case screws. Rip. Forgot to charge it last night. I thought I wasn't recording. My camera was barely charging, but it's been a struggle, man. I've been just locked in, but I'm about to put these fans on. We got these Sarah white fans. They kind of sexy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. And then we got the fan controller as well, so we're gonna connect the fans from the case as well. Put those on too, you know. Get the case right. A couple of fans will be intake, right? Hey, we got boot. Yeah, man, this shit fire. Look at this shit, bruh. That RGB, that clean out RGB. After about a good 30 to 40 minutes, I finally got Windows able to install on this freaking PC. I don't know why it took forever, but finally got it. I don't have a product key, I'll activate it later. I might just buy a key off CD keys or something. Yeah, mumbo jumbo. Click, click, clack, clack. There we go. Once this is installed, I'm gonna download a game or two, and you know what I mean? This thing is sick. Yo, I'll play around. Yeah, this thing is pretty sick. It's built. Bro, I look dark. That's the darkest I can go. This thing is pretty sick. Now I just listed the computer on Facebook Marketplace, Java, and eBay. So I'm gonna hit you guys back in like a week to 10 days to see when I sell it. Yeah, I was hoping to get this video out in like a week or so. I mean, I might just upload, but either way, I'm gonna sell it and just, you know, get the video out to you guys. So yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.